Hi guys, welcome back. So I hope you had a blast recording yourself and that you had a chance to read the passages. So I want you to be thinking as you were reading this two passages because now you have a little bit of activity. You are going to read both passages and you're going to think of these questions. Did you hear a change in Abuela's opinions about an American Thanksgiving dinner from passage number 1 to passage number 2? What was Abuela's opinion in the first passage? I want you to highlight how, and support your answer. If your answer was like, I think she was against it, I want you to support your passage with a highlight on the sentence. If you think she was in favor of it in the first passage, you're going to highlight that. And the same in the passage number 2. If you think she changed her mind and now she wants to have that dinner, you are going to highlight that part. If you think she did not change her mind, you're going to highlight that well. I hope this video helped you.